Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to take off the ugly Z Fender emblem. It's pretty easy. All you need is a heat gun. And it also helps to grab a credit card. So you're going to want to heat it up a little bit just to get the glue on the back side soft so it comes off a little easier. And what we're going to do is take these off and replace them with paint match ones. Let's see. There we go. Pretty easy, just pops right off. It's still a little hot. Alright, now I finally got my paint to match G41 magnetic black Fender emblem, and I'm going to put it on there. What I'm going to do is just take off the double-sided 3M tape and adhere it, and it should stay real nice. Let's see how this goes here. Take the tape off. It's a little bit sticky. There we go. And they only go on one way, so don't worry about what side. Put it in, give it a good solid push, and it should stay for good. And if you want to paint to match emblem, I'll put a link on the listing here, and you can get them any color you want, from Le Mans Sunset to San Marino Blue, anything. So, looks pretty good.